Welcome to Lesson 4.1, Specialized Suits. In this session, we will explore the unique legal frameworks and procedures governing specialized suits, including those involving the government, minors, persons with unsound mind, and indigent persons. Specialized suits cater to unique circumstances or parties, ensuring procedural fairness and access to justice for all. These suits follow distinct legal provisions to address specific challenges associated with certain categories of litigants. Legal framework. Sections 79 to 82 of the CPC provide the foundation for suits involving the government. Suits against the government. Key requirements include 1. Notice requirement. Section 80. A 2-month notice must be served to the government before filing the suit, detailing the plaintiff's information, cause of action, and relief sought. Urgent cases may proceed without notice if the court grants permission. 2. Representation. The government is represented by authorized officers, such as the Attorney General or a government pleader. Example: a contractor suing the government for breach of contract must serve a Section 80 notice unless the case involves urgency. Suits by the government. Government suits are filed by competent officers, and courts prioritize their expeditious resolution in the public interest. Landmark case law. In State of Punjab v. Gita Iron and Brass Works Ltd., the Supreme Court highlighted the mandatory nature of Section 80 notices, with exceptions for urgent cases. Legal framework. Order 32 of the CPC governs suits involving minors and persons with unsound mind. Suits by minors or persons with unsound mind. They must be represented by a competent adult known as the next friend. The next friend acts in their best interest and bears litigation costs. Court permission is required for compromises or settlements. Suits against minors or persons with unsound mind. The court appoints a guardian ad litem to represent the defendant's interests. Summons are served on the guardian, who responds to claims and protects the defendant's rights. Landmark case law. In Bibi Wali Begum v. Abdul Qadir, the court emphasized that all settlements involving minors require judicial approval to prevent exploitation. Suits by indigent persons. Legal framework. Order 33 of the CPC ensures access to justice for individuals unable to afford court fees. Who is an indigent person? An indigent person is someone who lacks the financial means to pay court fees. However, those who dispose of property to evade payment are excluded. Procedure. 1. The plaintiff files an application supported by an affidavit detailing their financial condition. 2. The court conducts an inquiry to verify indigence. 3. If satisfied, the court permits the suit without payment of fees. Landmark case law. In Union Bank of India v. Qatar International Construction, the Supreme Court emphasized judicial scrutiny of indigent claims to prevent abuse. Comparative overview. Feature comparison. Aspect. Suits by against government, suits by against minors, suits by indigent persons. Key provisions. Sections 79 to 82, CPC Order 32, CPC Order 33, CPC representation. Authorized officers or pleaders. Next friend or guardian ad litem. Self-representation notice requirement. Mandatory under Section 80, not applicable. Application for indigence required. Special protections. Waiver for urgent cases. Court approval for compromises. Fee exemption for genuine indigence. Practical examples. Example 1. Suits by government. A state government sues a contractor for breach of a public works agreement. Example 2. Suits against a minor. A property dispute involving a minor is defended by a court-appointed guardian ad litem. Example 3. Suits by indigent persons. An indigent plaintiff files a recovery suit for unpaid wages after proving financial hardship. Common mistakes to avoid. Non-compliance with notice requirements. Failing to serve a Section 80 notice to the government can result in dismissal. Inadequate representation for minors. Not appointing a competent guardian can render proceedings invalid. False claims of indigence. Misrepresenting financial status to evade court fees may attract penalties. Conclusion. Specialized suits ensure procedural fairness and access to justice for diverse litigants, including the government, minors, persons with unsound mind, and indigent individuals. Adherence to the CPC provisions and safeguards is vital for equitable outcomes. Thank you for joining this lesson. In the next session, we will explore incidental and supplemental proceedings, focusing on their application in civil proceedings. See you there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates. youtube.com/ProLegalMinds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed, stay empowered. See you in the next session.